Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at this Blade Runner Series HeliQuad 2.4 indoor-outdoor quadcopter. Let's take a closer look at the box. Ultimate 6-axis flight control, 2.4 gigahertz with gyro for 360-degree flips, auto stunt button. Let's see here. Package contains one HeliQuad, one controller, one charger, one USB charger cable, 4 replacement blades, and 1 owner's manual. Alright. It's recommended for ages 12 and up. It requires 3 AA batteries by Interactive Toy. Level hovers. On the side says fly up to 100 feet, 4 to 7 minute flight time. Internal gyro for stabilized level flights. Looking on the back, more of the same. Protective flight cage, 4 durable flight rotors, 4 high-powered cordless flight motors. There's a charger, looks good. Flight trim, on off, left right, stunt button, antenna. Has a built-in advanced 3+3 gyro technology and 32-bit MCU technology, 3-axis gyro sensor, 3-axis accelerometer to detect the flight condition in real time. An ultra-fast 32-bit onboard microprocessor provides full-time flight control assist for stable and smooth flight actions. Sounds pretty impressive. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Here's the manuals. There's the quadcopter. Alright, looks cool. And it's connected by some plastic and tape. Okay, should have got some pliers, but it's not too bad. Timber. It is. This thing was attached like a belt on there. Here's a charging port, on off button. So I guess the battery is internal. I don't know if it can be replaced or not. Very nice. There's the controller. Okay, and there's the charger highlight. Charger. And spare props. I guess it's a 2-piece charger. Put the charging cable in there, and then it has a USB, and then we plug it into here, like so. Let's see if this thing has any juice. Three double A's. Alright. Let's turn this on. And turn this on. Oh, it is blinking. Oh, it looks like it's paired. This is going like that. Let's see what happens. Very cool. I'll take this outside and get better video for you. Wow, very good. Ah, very nice and stable, very easy to control. Alright, I'll get some flight time outside. See you soon. No, that doesn't work. Alright. And it has a stunt mode. I can just get it to come back here.
Mm-hmm.
What happened there? I'll do the stunt. Whoa. That's good enough.